These are all the fucking bullshit messages. Now, this is the last one.
Hello? Hello? Dal? What's up?
Yeah.
Tell him I'm here. I'm demanding my fucking battery.
Mate,
yeah,
bloke who did... Listen, you can't just turn off my house to start the
Who fucking can't? I can fucking do what I want. You've bullshitted me on the fucking phone enough. Now I'm here to get a fucking battery.
Listen, if you don't fuck off, I'll call the fucking police. Now, fuck off, mate. Don't turn off
Call the police. Call the police.
Right. Now, shut the door. If you don't fuck... Listen, you meant to send the battery down to that place. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? You know I'm away.
I'm not supposed to send it. I'm not supposed to fucking send it. You think I'm going to send something to pay out more money when you're just giving me a load of fucking bullshit, mate?
But, listen...
Yeah, I'm not going to spend more money sending the battery away when you promise one thing one day and then you fucking change it the next day and then the battery's coming in, now you're ordering a fucking other one. It's just all fucking bullshit, just fucking running around.
Swearing, mate. You're not going to get anywhere swearing. I told you to send the battery.
It's up to you. If you don't give me a fucking battery now, I'm telling you, you won't have a fucking flat to come back to, so I'll burn the cunt down.
Right.
I'm here, I want me fucking stuff, and I want it now. Call the police and get me nicked, or do what you fucking like, mate. I don't give a fuck. Because it's gone too fucking far. You're taking the fucking piss.
No one's taking the piss.
You've had plenty of opportunities to fucking sort it out and to be fucking gentleman about it, and you've tried to treat me like a fucking cunt, and I'm not.
You've just threatened me live on camera, mate. Right? For the whole world to fucking see. Right, well then. If you don't care. Now fuck off back home. I'm telling you.
So I've got something on me. He's been taking the fucking piss out of me.
Dale, just shut the fucking door. Dale, shut the door, mate. Dale, shut the door. Shut the door, mate. Dale, shut the fucking door. Just shut the door, mate.